Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be opening a slime package that I got from Etsy. So I'm sorry guys if my voice kind of muffles and it's because I'm doing my very first voiceover. So I got this package from Everything Slime and Candy, and it has been sitting out in my garage for about a few weeks now. I ordered it sometime around Valentine's Day, and it's been sitting out there since then, so a few months actually. Yeah, because Valentine's Day was in February. So yeah. Okay guys, so this slime package cost around $22. That is including shipping. Shipping was $10, and the full package was $12, so the slime was $6 a piece. And let's get to opening. So I went ahead and covered up my address with this white paper, and I have this box cutter, and make sure to have parental supervision when working with sharp objects. Thank you. Okay, so let's get to cutting. That was fun, so I'll get back to you guys once it's time to open it. Yay! Whoa, that was loud. I just dropped my things. Okay guys, so let's look at it. Oh man, this was not welly packaged. So this must be the extra, or extra. I just ordered 2 slimes, so I don't really know what this is. But not very good packaging. Oh, I ordered Starbucks iced coffee slime, and I guess they didn't put them in there originally, and so that's kind of extra. But this was not welly packaged. It's like leaking out. But they did send me some activators, so thank you. So once this is completely tamed and I have it not sticky, I will do an AMSR with this. So there it is. Okay, I also ordered a citrus burst slime. It came in this off-brand clear putty magic putty. Oh, what in the world? Oh, this looks like the Grinch. This is disgusting. Ew. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once these are activated. And then I also have this, which must have been an extra. It's like an Italian ice feeling slime. Here it is. It's okay. It's definitely a lot better than the citrus burst. Not unless this is not the citrus burst. This is, and that was just like an extra. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I have my mat, and I got some water because we're going to be trying out their activator. And I'm going to add in about 2 pinches of activator into this water. 3, actually did 3. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in there. And let's see. Whoa. I'm sorry guys, this is kind of like a fail AMSR, because you know, like, you got to turn off the microphone whenever you're doing an AMSR, so now I'm like really talking. Guys, look at this slime package. Is it just me, or is this like a fail? This is probably the worst slime package I've ever gotten. Oh, okay, so I'm done with the voiceover now because it's AMSR, supposed to be AMSR, AMSR, I'm at AMSR, AMSR, yeah, I think that's right. Here it is, hopefully, let's see. It's good, it's okay. It is a little bit overactivated, but I think that's my fault, it's not their fault. So it's not very sticky enough to put the cubes. cubes the ice in it, but it will get sticky once you let it sit, if you guys have seen that before. So, now I'm adding an activator to this because it needs it. Ooh, I like this with activator in it. It's not very pokey because it's like, again, like cloud cream fail texture. I think they meant to make like cool cloud cream and stuff, but it ended up turning to be a fail because it's like the gel beads and everything. But it's just not very good. So there it is, if you guys want a close-up part of it. I'm gonna get the camera to focus. There we go. Look, watch, guys. My camera like has this cool little focusing button. Unfocus. Focus. See how cool that is? And then if I tap it, I can. Okay. Back into the natural lighting. So, here it is. It's definitely nice. I'm very fond of it. It's okay. Definitely if this is not the citrus burst and it's an extra. That's good. Next, this. This is nice. I like this a lot. I'll just get a little bit of it. I like it. Let me make the camera focus again. You guys see the gel? But I will show you guys real cloud cream. So this is Pumpkin Guts cloud cream. Let me go get it. I love this so much. Okay guys, so here it is. And it's like that nice pumpkin-y color. It looks like sand off camera, but on camera it's like a orange color. And this is kind of like trash slime because I've mixed squishies in it. This is like my experimentation slime. But this is cloud cream that I make. And I used to have a slime shop. I actually had an Instagram slime shop. But yeah. I'll show you guys the difference of a kind of attempted cloud cream. Get it. Okay, here is the attempted cloud cream, and here's the actual. So if you guys can kind of tell a difference. I've even mixed sand in this and made it into kinetic sand cloud cream stuff. So yeah, again, this is my experimentation slime. So, let's do an AMSR with this. So I would like to thank all of you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.